Bienvenue sur Chanel Jeff Denis 56.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good night. Depends on the day you will watch this video. As I promised you 2 weeks ago, I will teach you the Haitian Creole. I know too, guys, you have a trouble. You got a trouble to learn the Haitian Creole. You have a trouble also to speak Haitian Creole. This video is for you to learn it, to watch it. After being watching, guy, you will be able to practice your Creole with a nation. Let's see a short conversation. Today, I'm going to teach you how to greet people in Haitian Creole. Let's go. First of all, as you can notice the title of this video, you see basic conversation and Haitian Creole. Une short conversation en Creole haïtien. Let's see how to greet people in Haitian Creole. On a regardé ki jon ou ka sali yo moun nan Creole haïtien. First of all, we have good morning. Good morning means in Creole bonjour. Separately, you could say bonjour. Good morning, bonjour, bonjour. That's the same thing. Okay? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Good evening. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. How are you? How are you? How are you? Rapidly you could say, how are you? Comment ou ye? Comment ou ye? How are you? Comment ou ye? How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? Comment ou ye jodi ya? Comment ou ye jodi ya? Okay, it's very easy. Comment ou ye jodi ya means in English, how are you today? Okay, I am fine. And you? I am fine. And you? Moi bien et où? Moi bien et où? Take your time to say it. Moi bien et où? Okay, so I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Moi bien, merci. When you say moi, it's represent I. I in Creole translate by moi. Okay, moi bien, merci. Okay, what is your name? Sometimes people say is. It's not is, guy. Okay, let me show you is. Okay, this is is. Is. Okay, is. Because we have S. S is a consonant. Okay, I is a vowel. It pronounced like A. Is. This is. In the next video, guy, I will teach you the difference between is and is. Okay, guy, you're supposed to have a good accent, to have a good pronunciation. Okay, if you say is, you mean is. This is is. This is. They are different. Okay, guy. Next video, I will explain you more. Okay, let's keep on. What is your name? It's not what. When you say what, you mean a different thing. Okay, say what is your name? You could say name because you see A, E is a vowel. Name. Comment ou rele? What is your name? What is your name? Comment ou rele? Comment ou rele? What is your name? Example. My name is Jeff Denny. My name is Jeff Denny. Mwen rele Jeff Denny. What is your name? Mwen rele Jeff Denny. Okay? You can change the name. You can say mwen rele Peter. My name is Peter. My name is Donald Trump. My name is Marco. Okay? Depends the person you are talking with. Okay, guys? This is my name. Danny Jeff. Okay, next video too, I'll explain you the difference between the last name and first name too. Okay, guys, nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, moins content rencontrer ou. Moins content rencontrer ou. Okay, thank you. Merci. Goodbye. Au revoir, ok? Goodbye, ok? Au revoir, ou bien m'aller. Another way too, you could say goodbye in Creole, m'aller. You use the verb to go. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you like it and for encouraging me to do more video for you guys. Thanks, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to click on the bell to subscribe with my video and to my channel, guys. And I promise you can receive every single videos that I post on my channel. But this video today, it's about basic conversation in Creole Haitian. You can say Haitian Creole. How the Haitian Creole greet our people